A very good morning to dear scholarites. Let's begin with the new topic, polar region of your chapter number 3, change for survival. So polar region that is found in the North Pole as well as South Pole. Okay, the polar region that found in North Pole is known as Arctic, whereas the polar region that is found around the South Pole is known as Antarctica. What are special conditions or climatic conditions are there? From the name, it is indicating polar means ice. So there is snowfall every time in that region, and the temperature goes to below minus 80 degrees Celsius in the time of winter. Okay, and in this region there is very cold, very windy air blows all the time. During winter there is no sunshine, and during summer there is no sunsets. So you can imagine that how can the life will be possible in such type of region, right? So let us discuss about now the plants or animals that live in polar region. So first of all, adaptation in plants. Look here, the example is given, Arctic poppy. This is the plant that is found in the polar region, means where snowfall take place. So look at the flowers of this Arctic poppy. It is just looking like cup shape. Why it is cup shaped? In order to absorb maximum of sunlight whenever the sun shines at a short time. And look at the plants. Its stems are there is very less distance between the ground and its stem. Why it is? Because there is no sunshine, so the distance between both is very less, as well as they are of short size. Okay, no long branches are there, they are of short size above the ground. The animals that are found in the polar region are like polar bears. Migration of birds is shown. Okay, these are the Siberian cranes that comes to India also whenever in their native places the harsh weather is there. Okay, so polar bear, how polar bear has adapted themselves in that such type of coldy region. Polar bears are having fur or blanket like hair. Okay, also its body stores fats which helps them to keep warm themselves during these coldy regions. Okay, these are the migratory birds like Siberian crane. Whenever in their native place there is a harsh weather, there is snow and snow everywhere and no food is there to eat, then they come towards the below region where the climatic condition is normal, and they take rest there. They spend few lifespan there. After, when the native place becomes normal, it move away towards its native place. So these are known as migratory birds. Next is rainforest. You have seen the rainforest, how tall and very much branched trees are there. Very less sunlight comes here. Okay, so that is the reason why the trees are very tall in the forest region, in order to capture the maximum amount of sunlight through its tallest height. Some climbers like trees are also there in order to get some amount of sunlight. Okay, now come to the adaptation in plants. The plants which are found in the rainforest are having some grooves, okay, and pointed tip. Why it is? So that the snow or any waterfall on it just slides over from here, so that there will be a good amount of photosynthesis process also, and thus the sun reaches towards the leaves or the branches of the trees. Okay, now come to the adaptation animals. So in the forest, well, various type of animals live. So there is a high competition of food in the forest. So these type of animals live there, like toucan, macaw, leaf insect. Okay, so here is given the example of toucan. So look at its beak. It is like a curved beak and very big in shape. So this toucan used to eat nuts, and its beak helps them to crack it well and to eat the food. So these tokens has adapted this structure in order to live there. Second is macaw birds. Except macaw birds, various animals like sloth, various like stick insect, leaf insects, these all are having one property, that is camouflage. Camouflage means in order to change its color according to its surrounding, in order to gather its food or to hide from the enemies. Okay, so these type of variations can be seen in the forest animals. Now, what is camouflage? Camouflage is that process through which an organism can blend its color with the surrounding. Okay, and you have seen the leopards in the forest. It is having the orange, yellow, or black strips. It used to run between the dry grasses, and we can't indicate that the leopard is going between the grasses, so it hides itself between the grasses in order to capture its predator. So this process is known as camouflage, and these are seen in the animal that lives in the forest. Thank you.